In this video, you'll learn how to acquire XLM Stellar using the Trust Wallet application. By following these steps, you will successfully purchase XLM and have it securely stored in your wallet. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigate into a search engine. You can do this by typing in the address bar or clicking on your browser search option. This step is crucial for accessing the Trust Wallet extension. Once the search engine loads, enter Trust Wallet extension in the search bar and press enter. This will display relevant results for the Trust Wallet extension. Look for the official link to access the extension directly. Next, click on the link that leads to the Trust Wallet extension. After clicking, you'll be redirected to the Trust Wallet page where you can manage your wallet. Ensure that you are on the correct site to avoid any phishing attempts. After this, locate and click on the option labeled Fund. This option allows you to add funds to your wallet, which is necessary before you can purchase any cryptocurrency. Following this, you should see an option that says Buy Crypto. Click on this option to proceed with purchasing cryptocurrency. This action will take you to a section where you can select the type of cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Once you are in the Buy Crypto section, look for the button that says Choose a Crypto. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu or a selection screen for different cryptocurrencies available for purchase. After that, click on the search box that appears. This box allows you to input the name of the cryptocurrency you want to buy. It is important to use the correct name to find the desired cryptocurrency efficiently. Type in XLM Stellar into the search box. As you type, make sure there are no spelling errors, as this will affect the search results. The system will begin to filter the results based on your input. Next, browse through the search results to find the XLM Stellar option you want to choose. It is important to confirm that you are selecting the correct cryptocurrency to avoid any purchase errors. Once you have located XLM Stellar, click on it to select. This action confirms your choice and prepares you for the next steps in the purchasing process. Now, type the amount of XLM you wish to buy in the designated input field. Be mindful of your budget and ensure that the amount you enter is within your financial limits. Finally, click on the Continue button. This will initiate the purchase process and may take a moment to process your transaction. Ensure your internet connection is stable during this step to avoid any interruptions. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.